Noritz Tankless water heaters display error code 12 when the flame is lost during operation, preventing the water from heating properly. This error often stems from two main causes: inadequate gas pressure or poor airflow to the unit. Let's walk through the initial troubleshooting steps you should perform when encountering this error. Step 1. Check your gas supply. Ensure the earthquake safety shutoff hasn't tripped, especially in areas like California, and verify the gas line is functioning properly. Step 2. Test gas pressure in three conditions: static pressure with no gas use, dynamic pressure while the unit is heating, and maximum dynamic pressure when other gas appliances are also running. Step 3. Inspect the vent system. Check for proper airflow, ensure there's no exhaust recirculation, and for direct vent models, verify the air intake isn't drawing in exhaust from the unit or other appliances. Pay special attention to concentric venting systems, which need specific vent types with intact O-rings to prevent exhaust from leaking into the air intake. If these initial checks don't resolve error code 12, the next step is to inspect the flame sensor and igniter components, which we'll cover in the next section. The flame sensor, also called the flame rod, is a crucial component that detects whether the flame is present during operation. Over time, buildup can prevent it from working correctly, leading to error code 12. The first step in fixing error code 12 is cleaning the flame rod and igniter. This removes buildup that can interfere with proper flame detection and ignition. If cleaning doesn't solve the problem, replacement of the flame rod or ignition assembly may be necessary. This is especially true if components show signs of corrosion or damage. Regular yearly maintenance is highly recommended to prevent error codes and extend the unit's life. This includes checking filters, inspecting venting, and flushing the heat exchanger to prevent scale buildup. Due to the potential dangers of working with gas and electrical components, consulting a qualified technician is generally advised for diagnosing and repairing error code 12. Experts indicate this error often results from a dirty